Productivity mapping. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use the latest feature in We360.ai, productivity mapping. Click on Settings and locate Productivity Mapping. Here you will see a list of departments on the left side of the screen. On the top right, you will see Label Mapping. Here you can map different URLs and application-based labels pre-created in the application. All the links and apps found here are those entries which have been visited at least once from your organization. After mapping all of them, go to the department and click on the first department. Here, you will see all the labels with three options: productive, unproductive, and neutral. Mark these labels based on the requirement of the department. Let's consider an example. Product specialists will need to work on chat and messaging applications, calling and phone-related applications, but they may not need analytics-related applications. So, the former would be labeled as productive and the latter would be unproductive. Mapping and labeling make sure that employees belonging to a particular department are deemed as productive or unproductive based on metrics that match their profile. Using this feature wisely, you can access your employees in a way better than ever and make decisions based on accurate data. That's it. You're now ready to track your employees' productivity by the book and get the best out of We360.ai. Thank you.